dosage by weight today. Here's what you're going to see. Now in this problem, the dosage for the medication is going to be 25 milligrams per kilogram of body weight per day. So when we're calculating the dosage, it's not just for the one time, it's for the entire day. Okay. And in this case, let's say it's a child, and the child weighs 66 kilograms. So a child we've got a 66 kilogram child, and the prescribed medicine is 25 milligrams per kilogram per day. So what do we have to do first? First thing we're going to do is we've got to figure out how many milligrams of medication the child needs. So let's start off with ratio analysis. And we're going to put that over 66. Then we're going to use this as a conversion, which is going to equal 1 kg over 25 milligrams. Oh, wait a minute, I did it backwards. All right, do we have a proper ratio? Yeah, we got milligrams here, kilograms here, kilograms there. Let's move to solve. Now in this, what's going to cancel? Kilograms, right? And we're going to be left with milligrams, right? So somebody calculate that out real quick. It's going to be 66 times 25.
1,650. 1,650.
Yeah, 650. Now, that's the dosage per day. If we wanted to give this in 3 dosages, now what will we have to do? Not multiply by 3.
Oh,
Divide by 3, because this is the total dosage per day. We want to know per dose, it's got to be 3 per day, therefore it's going to be a third. So for single dosage, what we're going to do is take 1,650 milligrams and divide it by 3, and we should get what?
550.
So that's 550 milligrams per dose. Is that clear to everybody? All right, not that bad, right? Calculation by dose. All right. Everybody good? It's possible that this could be in pounds. So we're going to take this down. All right, and we'll say the child weighs 45 pounds. And we want to give this medicine 4 times a day, or 4 doses. All right, well, how does the problem change? Well, it's basically the same thing, except the units have changed, right? So in this case, again, we could do it with ratio analysis. We could say we want to know how many milligrams, because milligrams is the quantity we're looking for, over 45 pounds. And then over here, we're going to have 25 milligrams for every 1 pound. Is it a proper ratio? Yeah, it's milligrams here, pounds here, pounds here. Let's move to solve. In this case, what cancels? Pounds cancel. This is going to give us what for a value?
1,125.
1,125, that's milligrams per day. Now, in this case, we want to give 4 doses per day, right? So let's say the per dose calculation is going to be what? 1,125 milligrams divided by 4, which is going to give us, what is it? 281.4 milligrams.
Like 25.
1.25. We probably round down on this and get what, 281? So it's not that bad. What happens if we had a mixed? Yeah. No, I mean the weight and the say this were in kilograms. And let's change this to 30 pounds, right? Basically the same pound, but now the child's weight is in an English system and the prescription here is saying to put it into the metric system. So how would that change things?
You just gotta convert weight to kilograms first.
Yeah, the first thing we have to do, right, is convert 30 pounds to what, kgs? So let's start out with that. We use dimensional analysis. So 30 pounds over 1 times 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kg. And in this case, pounds cancel. This is going to equal 30 times 1 kg over 2.2 is going to equal
13.63 repeating.
13.6.
She's saying 6.3 repeating, but 13.6.
All right, so let's just say 6.3. We'll leave it at that. Kilograms. Now we got to figure out this dosage, right? So dosage per day. We're going to say, we'll start it out with the ratio analysis. So we're going to say what? XMG over 13.63 kg. Over here we're going to have 1 kg over 25 milligrams. Is that a proper ratio? Well, we got milligrams here, kilograms here, kilograms here. Let's move to solve. When we get to this point, what cancels? Yeah, the kilograms cancel. We're left with milligrams. So now if we multiply 13.63 times 25, what are we going to get?
340.75.
340.75. This is milligrams per day. Okay. So step 3 would be what? Per dose? And we take this 30. Divided by 4, and that's going to give us
85.18.
Alright, so it's going to be 85.18 milligrams per dose. We could probably round that off to 85 milligrams per dose. Now, once we know what the dosage is, if we had the tablets, we could calculate how many tablets as well, right? So this is just to figure out how much dosage you need. Then you can figure out how many tablets or if it's in a liquid. Seem that bad? All right. Let's call it quits on the video for this part.